Now let us come to the space complexity of breadth first search. Now remember that in breadth first search all the nodes of a level must be saved until their child nodes in the next level have been generated. For example, what do I mean to say is, before, for example, assume that I am at this level. Before exploring D, I have to store all the nodes in my memory at this level, that is D, E, F, G, because until and unless I know I have stored E, F, G in my memory, after exploring D, I do not know what is the next node to explore. So all the nodes at a particular level have to be stored in my memory so that before I can explore one node at that level. So in the worst case scenario, the space complexity, if my goal node is at the level D, for example, assume that D is my goal node and this is at level D. Assume that this is my goal node. So how many, or F is my goal node? You can take any one as the goal node, but it is at level D. So before even knowing that D is the goal, you have to, before doing the goal test or before doing the goal test on D or E or F or G, you will have to store all the nodes at level D in your memory. And at level D, how many nodes are there? At level D, precisely B to the power D nodes are there. So for exploring any node at level D, the computer memory has to store B to the power D nodes. Assuming D is the goal depth, the space complexity S is again of the order of B to the power D. So for breadth first search, we found that time complexity is of the order of B to the power D and space complexity is also of the order of B to the power D. This is, both of them have a name, both are the same and they have a name called exponential space and exponential time complexity. And actually this is a very bad time and space complexity performance, because you can see if B increases, if B increases linearly, if the branching factor becomes 3 from 2 or 4 from 3, the time complexity or the space complexity does not increase linearly, it increases exponentially, many folds. So time and space complexity of breadth first search is exponential, which is actually not at all desirable.